Stomach is a J-shaped organ. Stomach is a J-shaped organ. It is like that. Okay. It is a J-shaped organ. See. From here, it is esophagus. Food comes from esophagus. It moves towards stomach. Okay. Stomach is a J-shaped organ and it is the widest part of alimentary canal. Alimentary canal means digestive tract. Okay. So it is the widest part. Okay. So food material comes here. Okay. So these are the inner walls. These are the inner walls of stomach. Okay. So the inner walls of stomach. The inner walls of stomach contains three things. It contains three things. What they are? It contains mucus. It contains HCl, hydrochloric acid. It contains digestive juices. Digestive juices. Okay, see. When food materials comes from our esophagus, okay, it moves towards our stomach, but in stomach there are mucus, okay, HCl, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. Now what they do, what they perform, see, mucus prevents the walls of the stomach. Mucus is spread around the walls of the stomach. It protects the stomach wall with the bad effect of HCl, hydrochloric acid. It is an acid and it can be damage our walls. It can damage our inner walls of stomach. So mucus is spread around the inner lining of stomach and it protects. Okay. Then what is the function of HCl? Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria that comes with our food. The bacteria that comes with our food, it kills the bacteria. And second function, it provides the acidic medium for digestive juices. The digestive juices of our stomach is specific to pH value. They are able to work in acidic medium. So our HCl, that hydrochloric acid, provides acidic medium to digestive juices. Okay, its work finished. Now works come. Now digestive juices. Okay, see, the digestive juices of stomach. Digestive juices of stomachs digest mainly protein. So in our stomach mainly proteins get digested. Okay, what we have learned, see, in our buccal cavity digestion of starch happens. Okay, now food moves in our stomach. Three things are there. Okay, so in our stomach digestion of proteins happens. Okay, now the work of stomach is finished. Then what happens? After stomach joins to small intestine. Okay, stomach joins to small intestine. Okay, so small intestine is a highly coiled structure. It is highly coiled. Okay, in small intestine there is a complete digestion of our food material that we are eating. It is completely digested in small intestine. How? See, it's our small intestines. Small intestine gets secretions from liver and pancreas. Okay, liver and pancreas, they are glands. Liver is the largest gland of our body and pancreas. Okay, liver secretes bile juice. Liver secretes bile juice into small intestine. Okay, then bile juice come from liver. Okay, what is the function of bile juice? It performs the digestion of fats. Bile juice mainly digest fats in our small intestine. It's okay. Then pancreas also secrete digestive juices into the smaller intestine. Okay, what they perform? They perform the digestion of protein, fat and carbohydrate in smaller intestine. Okay, now okay, can you imagine the length of small intestine? The length of small intestine is about 7.5 centimeter, 7.5 meter. It is more than our height. So it is amazing. Okay. The length of small intestine is about 7.5 meter. It is greater than our height. Okay. See. So liver secretes bile juices. Bile juice mainly digests fat. Pancreas secretes digestive juices that digest fat, protein and carbohydrates. Okay. Beside these glands, the inner walls of small intestine secretes digestive juices. That convert fat into fatty acids and glycerol, carbohydrate into, okay, we will write here. In a small intestine, there is a complete digestion of food. Okay. How? See. In a small intestine, carbohydrates gets converted into glucose. We know that glucose is the smallest unit of or simplest unit of carbohydrates. Okay. Fats gets converted into fatty acid and glycerol. And proteins get converted into amino acids. We know that amino acids is the smallest or simplest unit of proteins. Okay. So the complete digestion of food happens in smaller intestine. Okay. So now what happens? Digestion starts from buccal cavity and completed in our small intestine. Okay. Digestion starts from buccal cavity, then esophagus, then stomach, small intestine. Till this stage, small intestine, our food get completely digested. Then there is a process absorption of food material in our small intestine. The valuable nutrients like amino acid, fatty acid and glycerol, glucose get absorbed by the small intestine. There are foldings in our small intestine. There are foldings. See, it is the cross section of small intestine. The inner walls of small intestines have these type of folding. We call them villi. These are called villi. So with the help of villi, absorption of food materials happens. Okay. After absorption of food material, or we can say simplest form of food material, the waste or undigested food materials moves into large intestine. Okay. From large intestine, large intestine absorbs water and some salts from the food material. Then it moves into rectum and then anus. From anus it goes out. Okay. The process is called egestion. So it is our digestive system. Okay. Once again we summarize the topic. How we started digestion. The meaning of digestion is conversion of complex food material into simpler ones. Okay. Then there is a system in our body, digestive system. It comprises of two things: digestive tract or alimentary canal and associative glands. Digestive tract starts from buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Then it ends at anus. Okay. And associated glands that helps in digestion. This secretes digestive juice. Okay. Like salivary gland secretes saliva, liver secretes bile juice, pancreas secretes digestive juices. Okay. And like this, digestion complete. Okay. Then waste materials comes into large intestine. Then through anus it goes out of our body. Okay. So this is about digestion in human beings. Okay.